Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for the love and support by watching my videos. I'm here in Gold Fork Park. They have a large playground and a golden lake on the other side. Let's check it out. We're here in Gold Fork Park Lake. Let's check it out. Wow. It's sunny today, 10 a.m. here in London. Ang sarap ng hangin, guys. The weather is perfect today. Unlike the other day, it's really to the park. Look at them. Oh, the family goose. Look at them. Isn't it this one? Gold Fork. Ay. What? Sabi mahabol. Ayan, they go near to us. So what do you mean pag may anak?
Protected yan.
Ah, really? I have no idea. Hi. Ang cute-cute na mga babies niya. It's windy. Where's my jacket? I think we're not allowed to give them food. Oo nga, napit eh. Wala sila sa ano. Yeah. Look at them. Naglakad lang. See? There's so many. Look.
With the rise of e-bike.
Where are they going? They are already here on the road. They are out of the water. Wow. Look at them. Tignan nyo nga sila dito na sa kalsada. Oo nga. Nagulat ako. Nagulat ako. Umakyat lahat. Ang dami nila kanina. Kylie is there. The gate is there. Asan ang ating picnic? Yeah, guys, we're here in the playground. Look at this. Oh, wow. Let's go there. Look at them. They go back. Hi, Kylie. We're here in the playground. Oh, wow. Ang galing.
Nag-enjoy ang bata at matanda.
Yeah, my friend, Ka-Pretty Mix Vlog, hello. Ayun, si Big Boss.
Hallelujah na ako.
Cedric, you want to try?
Kayong dalawa.
Oh, yung dalawa.
Kayong dalawa nag-exercise doon. Brother. Nag-gym doon. Sana kayo humambike pa. Nagbabike ka.
Ced, you want to do the bike? Bike ka, Beck? Cedric, come on. Get the bike. Yung may isa doon. Yeah, they have a lot of rides here, guys. Look.
Ayun. Doon nakasakayin siya sa ano. Sa malaki pag.
Let's see what's upstairs. This is the top view of the playground and the lake.
There's some bike force.
Yeah, they have a bike force. So I told you, said, get the bike. Video kita. Look at them.
Equipment. System blanket.
Look. Look at the kids. Oh, look guys, there is a bike course. Look at them. Wow, there is a bice course there. Yeah, let's look at the weather. It's so nice. And let's go down there and check it out. It's so exciting to watch. Guys.
Fred, we have to go into the
How can I get the view from there? We need to go there. Ayan guys, so up and down siya. Wala na yung tao. Ayan siya. I did not see.
Pumunta ka kaunti sa grasa.
Nandito apat sila. Thank you for watching guys. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and God bless us all.